Something massive is happening behind closed doors at Canon. And if the latest leaks from supply chains and confidential regulatory filings are anything to go by, the entire camera industry is about to be turned upside down. For months, whispers circulated across testing labs and internal engineering groups, hinting at a project so ambitious that it would redefine what photographers expect from a crop sensor camera body. Today, those whispers have coalesced into a flood of detailed technical reports, exposing the jaw-dropping reality of what Canon has been quietly engineering. Welcome back to my channel Tech Rivet for exclusive insights into the future of tech. Subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon for more tech updates. The device in question is none other than the long-awaited Canon EOS R7 Mark II, a camera that appears set to break the traditional tier system that has governed mirrorless photography for over a decade. For years, the industry operated under an unwritten rule. Full-frame cameras were reserved for uncompromising speed, ultimate resolution, and professional build quality, while crop sensor APS-C bodies were relegated to enthusiast secondary tools or budget alternatives. Canon themselves reinforced this dynamic for a long time, but with the emergence of rival flagships and the massive demand from wildlife, sports, and hybrid action creators, the strategy has radically shifted. The Canon EOS R7 Mark II represents Canon's aggressive declaration that APS-C is no longer a compromise, but a specialized weapon designed for sheer speed, telephoto reach, and unyielding performance. The detailed leaks revealing its internal architecture show a camera engineered to completely eradicate the boundaries between mid-range crop systems and multi-thousand-dollar professional sports flagships. At the absolute heart of this upcoming powerhouse sits what is arguably the most significant sensor upgrade Canon has ever placed in an APS-C body, a brand new 39 to 40 megapixel backside illuminated stacked CMOS sensor. To understand why this development is causing such an uproar among industry experts, one must understand the physics of digital sensors. Standard sensors process data line by line, creating a slight time delay between the top of the frame and the bottom. In fast-action scenarios, this readout latency causes rolling shutter distortion, where golf clubs bend like rubber, aircraft propellers warp unnaturally, and fast-moving birds skew across the frame during electronic shutter capture. By implementing a stacked sensor architecture in the Canon EOS R7 Mark II, Canon places the memory and readout circuitry directly underneath the light-capturing photodiodes, allowing data to be pulled off the chip almost instantaneously. This ultra-fast sensor readout speed reportedly approaches or even matches the astronomical performance found in full-frame speed demons like the EOS R5 Mark II and EOS R1. For wildlife shooters and action sports photographers, the implications of a 40-megapixel stacked APS-C sensor are profound. With the inherent 1.6x crop factor of the Canon crop ecosystem, a 500mm lens instantly transforms into an effective 800mm field of view without sacrificing pixel density or requiring heavy optical teleconverters that degrade light gathering. You receive maximum reach combined with blistering readout performance, ensuring that every feather on a diving falcon or every facial expression of a sprinting athlete is captured with razor-sharp precision, completely free of rolling shutter distortion, even when utilizing the whisper-silent electronic shutter. Powering this insane sensor requires an unprecedented amount of computational horsepower, which brings us to another leaked breakthrough in the internal hardware of the Canon EOS R7 Mark II. Canon is fitting this camera with a dual-processor architecture featuring the primary DIGIC X image engine paired with a dedicated secondary DIGIC Accelerator unit. This is the exact same hybrid processing framework introduced in Canon's top-tier professional full-frame lineup. The DIGIC Accelerator operates as a dedicated neural processing computer, running real-time, deep learning AI algorithms that analyze millions of visual data points every fraction of a second. Instead of merely scanning for basic shapes or contrast boundaries, the camera continuously evaluates subject motion, posture, and environmental context. This means the autofocus tracking on the Canon EOS R7 Mark II will achieve an entirely new dimension of intelligence. The camera doesn't just lock onto an animal's eye. It anticipates where that eye will move based on predictive action models built directly into the processor's deep learning framework. Whether tracking an erratic bird darting through dense forest foliage, a race car cutting across a blurry background, or an athlete jumping through a crowded arena, the autofocus system locked inside the Canon EOS R7 Mark II reportedly maintains a sticky, unbreakable grip. Furthermore, the system includes specialized action priority modes that can instantly detect specific sports maneuvers, like recognizing when a basketball player is about to jump for a shoot or a soccer player is striking the ball, and automatically shift the autofocus point directly to the primary subject before the shot is even fired. To match this predictive intelligence, the continuous burst capabilities leaked for the Canon EOS R7 Mark II are nothing short of phenomenal. Early internal testing logs reveal continuous shooting speeds reaching up to 40 frames per second using the electronic shutter, complete with full autofocus and auto exposure tracking on every single frame. What makes this speed truly transformative, however, is the complete elimination of viewfinder blackout. Because the stacked sensor reads data continuously without pausing to reset the pixels, the electronic viewfinder presents a smooth, uninterrupted live feed of the scene. You never lose sight of your subject for even a millisecond, eliminating the disorienting stutter effect that plagued older mirrorless bodies during rapid burst sequences. Adding to this continuous speed capability is the inclusion of an upgraded pre-capture buffer feature in the Canon EOS R7 Mark II. How many times have you sat frozen behind a lens for 20 minutes waiting for a bird to launch off a branch, only to press the shutter button a split second too late? With pre-capture enabled, the moment you half-press the shutter, the camera constantly records images into a rolling temporary cache memory. The instant you fully press the button, the camera permanently saves up to half a second of images recorded before your finger actually pressed down. This revolutionary feature guarantees that reaction time latency becomes a thing of the past, capturing the exact microsecond an action begins before human reflexes can even register it. Hardware leaks also indicate that Canon listened closely to user feedback regarding ergonomics and physical layout, completely overhauling the exterior chassis for the Canon EOS R7 Mark II. When the original R7 launched, it introduced a polarizing control wheel layout surrounding the rear joystick, which received mixed reactions from seasoned professionals accustomed to standard EOS controls. Leaked schematics and prototype reports show that Canon has abandoned that experimental design in favor of a robust, battle-tested layout modeled closely after the EOS R6 series. The Canon EOS R7 Mark II features a deeply sculpted ergonomic hand grip, a standard rear thumb wheel, a traditional joystick placement, and dedicated custom function buttons placed within natural reach of your fingers. The physical build quality of the Canon EOS R7 Mark II has also been elevated significantly to withstand the harshest environmental conditions. The body features a magnesium alloy internal frame wrapped in high-grade weather-sealed exterior housing, providing complete dust and moisture resistance equal to Canon's professional full-frame bodies. Whether you are standing in a pouring rainstorm on the sidelines of a football game or navigating dusty desert safari trails, the camera is built to survive extreme climate punishment. The larger body footprint also allows for enhanced thermal dissipation, utilizing an internal heat-sink architecture that pulls thermal energy away from the sensor and processor core, preventing thermal throttling during extended high-speed photo bursts or heavy video recording sessions. One of the most persistent complaints regarding previous mid-range crop bodies was the storage bottleneck, but leaks confirm that Canon has solved this issue definitively in the Canon EOS R7 Mark II. The new camera replaces the dual SD card configuration with a far more capable hybrid dual card slot layout. One ultra-fast CFexpress Type B slot paired with one UHS 2 SD card slot. The inclusion of CFexpress Type B is an absolute game-changer for workflow efficiency. With write speeds exceeding 1,500 megabytes per second, the CFexpress slot allows the massive 40-megapixel files generated during 40-frame per second burst to clear from the buffer almost instantly. You can hold down the shutter for hundreds of raw images without experiencing the dreaded buffer lockup that brings shooting to a grinding halt. Powering this data-hungry machine requires a modernized energy delivery system, and leaks confirm that the Canon EOS R7 Mark II utilizes the newly engineered LP-E6P high-draw lithium-ion battery. This upgraded power pack maintains backwards compatibility with previous LP-E6 form factors while delivering significantly higher current discharge rates required to drive the stacked sensor readout, the dual processing engine, and high-frequency wireless communications. The improved power efficiency, combined with refined battery management firmware, ensures that photographers can shoot thousands of frames on a single charge without worrying about sudden voltage drops during cold weather or heavy high-speed continuous shooting sequences. The viewing experience has also been given a massive generational upgrade, addressing another critical area where budget crop bodies previously lagged behind. The Canon EOS R7 Mark II features a newly designed high-resolution electronic viewfinder with an upgraded OLED panel offering dramatically higher density and increased brightness levels. Featuring a smooth 120 Hz refresh rate mode, the EVF provides zero latency, ultra-realistic color accuracy, and high dynamic range preview, making the transition from traditional optical viewfinders entirely seamless. Supplementing the EVF is a fully articulating multi-angle touch LCD screen on the rear, allowing low-angle ground shots, overhead crowd perspectives, and seamless vertical orientation framing for modern content distribution formats. In-body image stabilization is another critical domain where the Canon EOS R7 Mark II promises to dominate its competition. Leaked technical documents detail an enhanced 5-axis IBIS system operating on an ultra-precise magnetic levitation mechanism. When paired with stabilized RF lenses, the system coordinates sensor shifts with optical lens stabilization to deliver up to an astounding 8 stops of shake compensation. This means you can comfortably shoot sharp handheld telephoto exposures at slow shutter speeds that previously demanded a heavy tripod or monopod. For night photography, macro work, and handheld video pans, this level of stabilization opens up creative freedom that was simply unimaginable on older crop platforms.